County,
southwestern Wake County, eastern Chatham County,
southeastern Durham County until 8 p.m. At 7:21
p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Sanford, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Sanford, Garner, Fuquay Marina, RDU International, Apex, Holly Springs, and Morrisville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Durham, Harnett, Lee, and Wake.